Hello guys, it's me, Maverick Lee. Welcome back to the channel. And today, I just want to share with you all the news that I finally got my first ever bonsai tree. Now, ever since I was a young child, I've always dreamt of this moment. This might sound like no big deal to most people, but in the 90s, I remember watching a movie called The Karate Kid. The Karate Kid was released in 1984, and there was a character in it called Mr. Miyagi. Now, this I found so interesting. I don't know why, just that moment of the bonsai tree, it just symbolized so much to me. I felt peace. It's the first time I ever seen bonsai trees in that movie. I didn't know what they were. I thought they were so interesting, so mysterious. I don't know, I just thought of wisdom, knowledge, peace, tranquility, skill, technique. I don't know, just ever since I seen that movie, I've always wanted a bonsai tree. I've always looked for a bonsai tree that brought me the same kind of feeling that I felt when I watched the movie in the 90s. I found a few little stores, a few little shops here and there that actually sold bonsai trees. And soon as I got to these stores, I found these stores and shops so interesting. I just thought they were so mysterious, and I don't know, I just felt like a kid again. Every time I go to these little shops, I just feel like a kid again, because I'm like, am I going to find the bonsai tree that give me that feeling? Like the same kind of styled one? I don't know how to explain it, but there's a specific bonsai tree which has this look which I love the most, and I don't know why, but I can never find that style anyway. I don't know if it's because it's the most popular style or if it's the most expensive style or what. I have no idea. Like I say, I'm no expert with bonsai trees because this is only my first ever bonsai. But for me, it's a project. I really want to start learning more about bonsai, more about the art of bonsai. I really want to get into it. I want to learn about it because I've watched some videos in the past about pruning the branches, the leaves, and taking good care of it, like the moss and things. It is an art. It is an art. I was watching some old lady from Japan who actually specializes in the art of bonsai, and basically it was a tradition that has been passed down for many generations through her family, and now they've came to her, and some of these trees have actually been with her family for hundreds of years. I just find that amazing, like just completely amazing. I find it so interesting that like trees can outlive us humans and still be so miniature, still be so beautiful. Like I don't know, I just think, I don't know what it is. It's just some kind of spirituality I feel when I look at these trees. So I finally found the one that I've always desired and always wanted since I first watched the Karate Kid movie in the 90s. So let me show you my first ever bonsai. Here it is, guys. Now, the word bonsai in Japanese literally translates to planted in a container. As you can see, they say that the art of bonsai originally came from ancient Chinese culture, and then in later years it was redeveloped under the influence of Japanese Zen. Now, when you look at this tree, you just see peace, tranquility, skill, art, patience. For me, it represents so much. On top of that, it looks so beautiful. I mean, that is a real tree right there. That is a real tree. Have you seen the size of it? it's just amazing. Like even the leaves are kept small. I think it's so clever. So this is going to be a project of mine to learn more about the art of bonsai, how to take care of bonsai, because it's quite a challenge actually, so I've heard. I really hope that I can maintain this tree and hopefully have it last for a long, long time, because I just think it's beautiful. This style is my favorite style of bonsai. It's always the only bonsai style that I always wanted. And like I say, it reminds me of the movie The Karate Kid. Um, so yeah, I finally achieved one of my childhood dreams. I bought my first ever bonsai. Supposedly, the reason they use this in the Karate Kid movie is because bonsai trees represent inner peace, and inner peace is what karate is all about. So guys, if any of yous out there have an interest in bonsai, have seen bonsais before, or have a bonsai, or know about the care and art of bonsai, then hit me up in the comments, let me know, because like I say, I don't know nothing about these trees, just what I've said in this video. That's all I know. That's all I know, what I've said in this video. So I need to learn more about these trees, but hopefully it's going to be an exciting journey, and I like to learn and improve myself, and hopefully this can help me improve my inner peace too. So what do you guys think of bonsai trees? What do you think of this tree? Do you think it's a nice tree? Do you think it looks nice? Do you think it looks good? What do bonsais symbolize to you? What kind of feeling do they give you when you look at them? What kind of feeling do you feel? Anyways guys, if you like this video, please leave a like. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, and I really appreciate it. And check out my other videos while you're at it. Take care.